Hey, what's up, guys? It's Michael. It's just was out here. Look at, gonna make a video, and then all of a sudden this little guy. Yeah, there you go. See that guy right there? Just showed up. It was a beautiful blue sky. Look at that. Nothing. You know, I'm gonna talk about parallel universes. You know, maybe you guys be seeing me talk about it, whatever. You're like, what the heck is that? You know, some of you like, oh no, parallel universes are just imagination. It's like, well, yes, they really are. You know, because there is a reality that we see. You know, and that's nature. Nature is real. Okay. And what we call the indoctrination, the brainwashing, is forcing you to believe in a reality that you're told, that you don't get to witness or see or touch or feel or anything with your senses. And your senses are the only thing that lets you know what is real. You know what I'm saying? It's like, look at the sun. You look at that thing and you tell yourself, is that that's 93 million miles away. Oh yeah, sure it is. I can tell by looking at it. You know? Can you? To me, it looks like it's in front of the blue sky. You know, and the light is shooting up and reflecting the blue sky. You know, and I don't feel the earth move at all. You know, I look at, well, when there's clouds, you look and it's like, doesn't feel like it's spinning at, where am I at, like 700 miles an hour? And the equator's 1,000 miles an hour? 1,040? I mean, what about the North Pole? It has barely any movement. So does that mean you're like, without the lack of motion or relativity, are you then pulled by the force of gravity to weigh 700 pounds for the lack of inertia? I don't know. You probably weigh the same at the North Pole, if you're allowed to go there. You know, so it's like, whatever reality you're forced and given to, that's the one that you accept, unless you question it and ask for proof. And that's all I did. You know? So, I don't know, I just want to get that off my chest. But, you know, just observe things and try and find factual evidence for it. Make sure you know it's real or not. You know, if you could prove it on Earth, and you could prove it in a test, then it's probably real. But if they got to use equations and numbers and symbols, then I would really look into it a lot harder. I would scrutinize it, because I don't like that at all. Whenever you accept things into your reality that has to be proven by symbols and numbers, then you're giving up your senses. You're giving up your visual observations. And that's not cool. You know? Think of all outer space, it's a vacuum. And then we're in a positive pressure atmosphere. So I don't know how hard that is to understand that in a test, there is no way for a vacuum to coexist next to a positive pressure. The only things that happen is either the positive pressure goes and fills the empty space vacuum, or the vacuum sucks up the atmosphere. Either way, it tries to create an equilibrium. They just mix, okay? The only way that is proven to exist side by side is if there is a solid barrier. And they're like, oh, it's gravity. Gravity holds every little molecule down, you know, to where it knows to separate itself from the vacuum of space. And it's like, well, okay, gravity, huh? I don't know. But I just wanted to ramble on. All right, take it easy, guys.